cylinder. A solid which has uniform circular cross section is called a cylinder. Circular cross section. So this is the cross section. A solid which has uniform circular cross section is called a cylinder. Let R be the radius of the cylinder and H be the height of the cylinder. Therefore, area of cross section, first one formula, area of this cross section is equal to formula area of cross section is pi r square. Since it is a circle, area of the cross section is pi r square. So we have two cross sections. So two cross section means pi r square plus pi r square. It will be 2 pi r square. Then so area of cross section is what? Pi r square. Then perimeter of the cross section. Perimeter of the cross section means perimeter of that circle shape is circle. So perimeter of the cross section is 2 pi r. Second one. Then third one, curved surface area. So this is known as a curved surface area. So curved surface area we can represent it as CSA. Curved surface area is equal to perimeter of the cross section, perimeter of the cross section into height. So perimeter of the cross section is 2 pi r into height means h. So CSA of the cylinder, curved surface area of the cylinder is equal to formula 2 pi r h. Then fourth one, total surface area, we can represent it as TSA. Total surface area is equal to curved surface area plus cross section. Two cross sections are there. So 2 into cross section. Area of cross section. So we can represent it as TSA. We can write it as TSA is equal to 2 pi RH plus 2 into area of cross section is what? Pi r square. So pi r square. So we can write it as TSA is equal to formula 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. So total surface area is equal to 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. Then fifth one is volume of the cylinder. Volume is equal to pi r square h. Volume pi r square into h. Height pi r square h. Volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. So tell me, what are the things we studied? What about the curved surface area? Curved surface area of a cylinder. Curved surface area.
2 pi r.
2 pi r.
Then total surface area. Total surface area.
2 pi r.
2 pi r plus 2 pi r square.
2 pi r square. Then volume of the cylinder.
Pi r square.
Pi r square h. So cylinder. So what is the difference between a cylinder and a hollow cylinder? Cylinder and a hollow cylinder. Cylinder and a hollow cylinder. What about think of that hose, no? That a green hose. What is the difference between a bottle and a bottle? Also hollow cylinder means if you are not covering that top portion, what we can inside also one circle, outside also one circle, no? Same way hose, green hose. So we will get more. Inside also one circle we will get, no? Inside one circle we will. Then outside also we will have one circle. Isn't it or not? Yes or no? I'll show you. Got the idea? Yes or no? Think of pen and a top. The top is means outside we can rotate like this way, no? We can move our hand like this way. Then what about inside also we can do it, no? Here also we have one circle. Okay. So 2 circles we can form.
Okay, ma'am.
Then, so what about the thickness? What is the thickness of this? Thickness. What is the thickness? So consider this top. Outside here. Then inside also one circle is there. So what is this thickness? Thickness means what? This one, no? This is known as the thickness. So how can we find the thickness? From center to circle shape here. So this is known as the thickness, no? So from center to this last end, from center to this end, what? That we can represent it as capital R, and from center to this inside the circle, no, curve. From here to here, inside portion, from here to here we can represent it as small r. Then what will be the thickness T? How can we say about the thickness T? Thickness.
Capital letter R minus small r.
Full. After this we have R minus from here to here only, no, small r. So thickness is equal to capital R minus small r, where R is the radius of that big circle and the small r is the radius of that inner portion, inner circle. Okay. So we studied cross section of a cylinder. Cross section we studied. So what will be the cross section here for a hollow cylinder? Cross section we know. What is cross section? Area of cross section. Area of cross section. Area of cross section. Now we studied cross section formula. Pi square. So here we have two R, capital R and a small r. So what will be the area cross section of a hollow cylinder? Area cross section of cylinder is what? Cylinder is pi r square. So what will be the area of cross section of hollow cylinder? Hollow cylinder. What will be the area of cross section of a hollow cylinder? We know formula is what? Pi r square. So instead of r, we have two r's. So which are the two r's? Pi
Capital letter
yes,
R square.
pi
R
capital
minus small letter R.
pi r square minus pi r square minus pi small r square. So that we can take common pi into r square minus r square. Or you can write it as pi r square minus pi small r square. Pi capital R square minus pi small r square. That is enough. After that, while doing the calculation, you do it afterwards. Okay. Now this is enough. Pi capital R square. We know area of cross section of a cylinder. Compare with this. We know area of cross section of a cylinder is pi r square. Since we had two r's, capital R and small r here, so area of cross section of a hollow cylinder will be pi capital R square minus pi small r square. Compare with that. Okay. Is it clear? Need more explanation? Clear, no?
No, ma'am.
So how many
Yes,
curved surface area we have? Since it is a hollow cylinder, hollow. How many curved surface? Internal curved surface area and exterior also we have, no? Two curved surface area we have. Isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Imagine a cylinder. Imagine internal. Any? I don't have now. This we can. This also curved surface. Curved surface. So inside we have a curve. Then outside also we have a curve. So internal curved surface area we have and exterior also we have. So we can say internal curved surface area. So how can we write the formula? Internal curved surface area. Curved surface area of a cylinder we know. We studied that. Curved surface area of a cylinder is what? Curved surface area of a cylinder.
2 pi r.
2 pi
2
r.
pi R H.
So since it is a hollow cylinder, we have internal curved surface area and external curved surface area. External curved surface area. CSA. So how can we represent 2 pi internal curved surface area?
2 pi r
What
minus
are? We
2
don't know.
capital
Means
letter
capital R. Internal means small r. We represent like that way.
2 pi capital letter
No, internal. Internal means
2 pi r
small r. Internal means internal.
small r
Small only. No. 2 pi small r h will be the curved surface area of the internal curved surface area. Then what will be the exterior or external?
external 2
2
pi capital letter r h
RH.
2 pi RH. Okay. So total curved surface area will be what? 2 pi capital RH plus 2 pi small RH. Total curved surface area means it includes what? Internal and outside, external. No? So is it clear? So what are the things we studied next? Hollow cylinder. Tell me. Thickness. What about the thickness?
Yes,
Thickness.
Capital minus
capital
letter R minus
Small letter. Then area of cross section. No? Area of cross section. What we discussed? Area of cross section we know. Formula is pi r square.
capital
pi r square
Capital R and small r. So it will be pi
2R
pi
square
r
minus
minus
square pi r
r
square.
square minus pi small letter r square
small letter R
Small
square.
r square. Pi capital R square minus pi small r square. Pi capital R square minus pi small r square. Then we have curved surface area. So curved surface area will be what? Curved surface area. It contains two. That is internal curved surface area and external curved surface area. Internal curved surface area. So 2 pi internal
2
2
pi
pi
small letter rh external curved surface area 2 pi capital letter rh
capital R H. Okay. Then next, after discussing curved surface area and cross section, we can discuss which one?
total surface area
Total surface. Yeah. So total surface area will be what? Total surface area will be curved surface area plus 2 into area of cross section we discussed, no? Same as that. What will be total surface area? Total curved surface area will be 2 pi capital RH plus total surface area will be curved surface area 2 pi
2
capital
pi
RH
rh
plus 2 pi
plus
small
2
r.
pi
Then,
r
then next what we want to write? 2 into area of cross section. So what about the formula for area of cross section? Plus 2 into area of cross section. Area of cross section is what? For a hollow cylinder, area of cross section.
into capital R square minus small r square.
2 into pi capital R square minus pi small r square. No, area of cross section means. Plus 2 into, so pi we can take common, isn't it? Pi we can take from both sides, pi is there. So 2 into pi, then remaining r square minus r square, isn't it? Understood? So what is the difference between 2 pi capital RH plus 2 pi small rh plus 2 pi into r square minus r square? This is the total surface area of a hollow cylinder.
hollow cylinder
Then what is the compare with our cylinder? Total surface area of a cylinder. Compare with our cylinder. First cylinder. This is hollow cylinder. Curved surface area. Instead of 2 r's, we have only 1 r. So it will be what? 2 pi
2 pi r h
plus here
plus
2 r's are
2
there. We
pi
have
r
only
square
2 pi r square. Understood? Difference?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So total surface area, don't get confused with the total surface area. Total surface area of a cylinder. Total surface area of a cylinder. Then next is hollow cylinder. Total surface area. Tell me. Total surface area is equal to 2 pi
2 pi
5
RH
RH plus 2 pi
pi
R
R
square
square. Same thing we can do here also. TSA hollow cylinder will be
2 pi capital RH
pi
Capital R
plus 2
plus
pi
plus
small
2
r
pi RH
RH
plus
plus 2 pi
2
2
pi
R
R square small r square
instead of
2
R
pi
square, we can replace it as what? Plus
capital R
pi
square
only.
pi
R square.
is
R
R
square.
R square minus
capital
small
R
r
square minus small square.
capital R square minus small r square.
R square. We have two R, so we can write capital R square minus small r square. Same way, what about the volume of cylinder? Volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Pi r square. So what?
Pi capital
Pi.
capital letter R
Pi
square
capital R square H
R square minus small r square h.
Into h. Or we can write, if you want, you can change the bracket. Pi capital R square h minus pi small r square h. Anyway, pi capital R square h minus pi small r square h. Volume. Volume of a hollow cylinder. Volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Volume of a hollow cylinder is equal to pi capital R square h minus pi small r square h. So that also you have to write hollow cylinder, write the side heading and write hollow cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 formula. So that you have to do as a homework, that 6 formula. So first one cylinder 5 formula, second hollow cylinder 6 formula. Write the chapter heading. Already we wrote that all things. Cylinder, then write the side heading hollow cylinder. Okay, so after doing this cylinder problems, we can discuss cone. Okay, so 20A cylinder. Okay, I think it is clear. Formula, any doubt? Clear, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, understood. If any doubt, please stay back. Others, you can leave.